Right now, publishers are monopolizing science dissemination and making a huge profit by taking advantage of authors, reviewers, and readers. Publishing is currently a never-ending, expensive process that harms science and slows down the dissemination of knowledge. We are ready to change this. We dream of a distributed science publication system, where having middlemen such as traditional publishers no longer makes sense. Through disruptive technologies such as blockchain, we both enable decentralization and relieve the pain of traditional publication processes. This is accomplished by providing a reputation system of peer reviewers that will improve quality and ensure faster reviews and distribution, helping editors, reviewers, and authors. Editors and journals will be able to find the best peer reviewers in their field of interest, and those that respond quickly, reducing time to publish and publishing costs. Reviewers will finally have their work recognized, while authors will be able to submit papers to time-responsive, free, open-access journals and forget about slow, unfair, and unaccountable anonymous reviews. Our solution relies on blockchain and IPFS technologies. We use blockchain for the creation of a decentralized reputation system and distributed autonomous journals, and IPFS for the distribution of content, such as papers and reviews. Our proposal is implemented as a decentralized autonomous organization that governs the peer review process of each journal. These distributed autonomous journals enable these processes in a decentralized manner: paper submissions, assign reviewers to papers, and receive and rate reviews. The content is distributed using IPFS, a decentralized file storage and distribution system. This reduces storage costs, provides a secure access method, and ensures that the content remains accessible after the journal's death. According to a recent European Commission report, the total market size of academic publishing and open access publishing are $10 billion and $500 million per year respectively. Our goal is to challenge a market supported by old technologies and established oligopolies with decentralized disruptive technologies. This opens new opportunities for many new open access distributed journals, challenging business models built upon unneeded intermediaries. Unlike traditional publishers, our business model relies on providing real value to journals. Our technology is open source and free to access by anyone, as we believe science must be. We offer paid migration services for journals just in case they need them. A commission on the subscriptions and donations to journals is charged if journals want updates and support. The development of the project starts with the resource developed at the hackathon, a marketing campaign relying on a promotional video, and working prototypes of the proposal developed for each of our target users, journal editors, reviewers, and authors, with which we will build our first community of early adopters, get our first metrics, and validate and iterate our product. Afterwards, the development will continue with a campaign for building further our user base. Our strategy is then to build a strong network of reviewers, exploring partnerships with reviewers and authors communities, journals, and institutions. New and existing open science journals can then directly benefit from our reputation network of reviewers, where they will find the best and fastest reviewers with ease. Reviewers with a strong profile in the network will also introduce the tool to new journals in order to improve their reputation in the system. Our time to review warranties are thought to attract authors and journals, which can convince each other of the convenience of the use of our network. Once a strong network of reviewers is built, science publication will be faster and peer review process transparent and accountable. The need of traditional publishers and even editors will be questioned by the fast and cheap publication of our distributed technology and the possibility of creating fully autonomous journals. Once the technology is established, we want to deploy the first fully autonomous distributed journal without the need of journal editors. its behavior will be 100% coded in the blockchain. Finally, we aim to become the cornerstone of a new generation of open distributed science publication systems. Our main competitors are the traditional journal publishers, such as Elsevier, Springer, or Taylor and Francis, and our possible partners are new and open access publishers and journals, reviewers and authors networks, and other open science and alternative metrics initiatives. With our distributed reputation system of reviewers, we are ready to improve review time and quality from the first usage. Once our system is perceived as the best way to improve the speed of peer review processes, improve reviews quality, and enable free open science publication, we expect that a wide proportion of tech-savvy open access journals will use our system. We believe that the blockchain-enabled solutions for science publication will suppose a change comparable with the introduction of the press. We are a diverse group of people who believe in open science. Some of us are researchers who are working in Complutense University of Madrid. We focus on blockchain-related research projects and open source development. Science publication is closed and outdated. Will you help us to open this Pandora's box?